So see this stuff here? This is what you call the real deal flowers. Hanging baskets, dahlias, and more dahlias. See this? That is a flower bed full of weeds. More weeds in the beds. I've got to take action, folks. Need to clean this up so I can get the flowers planted. These beds are gonna pop and they're gonna speak volumes to this. See that lawn? She's coming in, got some serious issues. POA A right there. The plan is to weed these beds, get them cleaned up, and get them ready for planting. So I want to get this cleaned up and get the weeds all out of here so I can plant these annuals. So I just want to shake things up, get the earth moving just a little bit. Here we go, here we go. Once we get all the annuals planted and all the flowers planted, then I'm gonna come in here with some compost or mulch to make it black. I like just the black compost look. You put it on the top or the soil pep. And then it eventually amends the soil, makes it better and better. This soil is not great. It's clay soil, but I've been adding compost and soil pep amendments for several years, so it's starting to get better. But that's an every year type deal. Kind of inspecting my work here of this grade work that I did. It's probably been about 2 weeks since I put that soil down. Doesn't look so good. I need to plant some grass or something. I don't know. This could turn into a heavy sanding project. See how big of a mess we made. Got lots of stuff to clean up and get rid of all weeds in the beds, but it's gonna be good once we can get the flowers planted and once they start blooming. Got my hanging baskets up, those are ready to go, but we're gonna plant up these planter boxes right here, or these planters.
Okay, so these pipes...
What are we supposed to do with this?
Yeah. I'm sure you've got big plans.
Ah! There's even like a box in there or something, man. Check this out.
See, I want to
They've sent a bag of something.
I want to put trees here, like...
Oh, that's just the sprayer nozzle. What?
I want to put trees.
I know you do.
So, should we go buy them?
No.
Why not?
We're out of money.
Okay.
Oh, sure enough, just a sprayer nozzle. How boring is that? Sent this with it too. And according to Mr. Knorr, you can do whatever the heck you want. And just put this on every single one.
But if we put trees there, then I can put a pot.
Lawn booster any season.
I can put a pot on each pole.
You can do whatever the heck you want.
No, do you get what I'm saying?
Uh-huh.
Pot, and it'd make it like this, and then we have trees.
So that'll be for another day, huh? Wonder what would happen if I put all this stuff down at once. That is fertilizer. More fertilizer. Tina, come on out! First thing we're gonna do is just load these things up with these wood chips, so we're not filling the whole pot with potting soil. Got the wood chips down to my local bulk carrier. It's 12 bucks for like a half of a yard, maybe. I'm not sure how much soil we need, but there's probably a good 18 inches of room for soil. That's probably good enough. Oh, so cute. Here's a result from Pinterest.
Okay, this one.
Really? Come on, give me a break, Pinterest.
So where would I find first? Are any of these alike? I swear there's got to be some that are alike. Right?
One of these things is not like the other?
Miss Kennedy? There's a lot of question mark ones in here.
Yeah, right, because they didn't get labeled.
These are dry.
As a bone or not as a bone?
They're dry.
Like dry as a bone or not a bone?
Like this one?
Like bones aren't that dry.
Layla Savannah. Like, I hate lamb's ear.
Oh,
But it
seriously?
kind of is like that, but it's cooler.
But it's cool. Okay.
Shut up.
Pal, what are you palling around for? So this is one of those do-your-own type deals. Here. We're not getting the dine and dash on this sucker. Or, sorry, the drop and decorate.
That are awesome.
Plant this. This is Wynn's Pink Pearl Dahlia. And I don't know how she's going to look. Oh, my roots are kind of just... They're decent. See that? Just starting to come of age. So this one's going to go here.
No.
Yes?
No.
What?
Whatever you want, it's fine.
Yeah, I know. Whatever I want. I'm in charge, right?
You have proven yourself worthy of these decisions. I don't care what you want to do. Like, to me, it would look like this. If you took it and you... Yeah.
Ah!
That's what
So am I okay?
Yeah.
Start yelling and screaming or no?
Mm-hmm. Yell and scream.
Who?
You. Yourself.
No.
Come on.
I'm not going to do that. So this one's a hummingbird lover. It's a Vermillionaire by Proven Winners. Good stuff, I tell you. Yeah, she uses this one every year because it really actually does bring hummingbirds, and we see them all the time. Ah, you get, pal!
You got the brush off, Mom.
Okay, see ya. This is one of my favorites, Verbena. Love it. It's cherry delicious, eh?
I know, you gotta make sure...
No, I don't.
Trailers
I gotta make sure nothing.
Look at this.
And then, what's this? The compact white. Ooh, little bells.
White?
Yeah.
Oh, freak. I didn't think
Freak nothing. Freak is good.
they're supposed to be this color, both
Nope.
of them.
Nope. Not this guy.
Whoops. Screwed that one up.
So we got 2 of 4 done. 1, 2. And then we've got our baskets over here. And then she's working on this guy right here. Yeah, let's put the bushes in.
Get them in.
What do you mean if I want? Of course I want.
All right.
You want?
Uh-huh.
Okay, get in there. Who's here? Look at that and over there, folks. A truck. My tree over here has got some blooms on it. Flowering plum or something like that. Hoping all my trees survived. I think I had a couple of casualties. Pretty sure I'm gonna have to come back to this planting segment. We lost our daylight. It's starting to get cold and it's pretty well over, so I'm just gonna plant these burning bushes up right here and we're gonna go from there. So that's what I'm going with. Just planted 3 burning bushes. 1, 2, 3. I do have one more that I bought, and I don't know. I want more bushes. More and more bushes. I couldn't find the mycorrhiza that I have. I swear all I ever do is look for stuff, so I'm sure you guys know how frustrating that can be. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See ya next time.